Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening.
My title name is Person Activity Identification using Convolutional Neural Network, sir. It basically adapts various static features such as edge features, shape features, statical features, or transform features to describe human behavior, sir. Systems which are based on users' behavior usually understood as behavioral systems. Tracking is an essential step for human motion analysis which provides the data for recognition of face, head, and data. So the only hope of a secure method for preserving data are behavioral systems, and these are the contents of our project: title, domain, literature review, title and abstract, existing system, disadvantages of existing system, proposed system, advantages of proposed system, system architecture, types of modules, expected input and output. We selected our project domain deep learning, sir. With the base of deep learning domain, we are doing our project. Deep learning means deep learning is a part of broader family of machine learning methods based on artificial neural networks with representation. Machine learning it consists of three types like supervised, semi-supervised, or unsupervised. Adjective deep in deep learning refers to use the multiple layers in the network. Multiple layers in the network. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning concerned with algorithm inspired by the structure and function of the brain called artificial neural networks. Deep learning is a subset of a machine learning, which on the other hand is a subset of artificial intelligence. Deep learning algorithms attempt to draw similar conclusions as humans would by continually analyzing data with a given local structure. This deep learning uses a multi-layered structure of algorithms called neural networks. The design of the neural network is based on the structure of the human brain, sir. Just as we have our brains to identify patterns and classify different types of information, as well as neural networks can start to perform the same tasks on the data, sir. Literature survey. These three papers we studied, and after we studied these three papers, we uh, we thought one title to decide, and we thought we find one problem, and that problem we are going to solve now. Abstract. Nowadays, with the group of computing power and processing capacity, convolutional neural networks acquire a high hope to detect any action in persons in public areas. Our project involves recognizing the person behavior along with the respective intensities of those emotions. The emotions may be happiness, sadness, angry, and also neutral. This intensity of emotion is directly associated with the muscle movements. These intense sites are affected by the behavior of the person. Our study focus on simple activities such as walking, running, and sitting, wherein whole body movement is required. Next, my teammate Nivas will continue existing system.
For existing system, most of the work is concentrated on machine learning. Before before the project done in the machine learning, if any suspicious actions will be done, then it will send an alarm. This will be used for blind people, and identification of process activity.
Nivas, speak loudly.
Identif- Identification of person activity could be vast term, which covers different categories and activities. Activities like walking, running, and attacking, moving. Every movement can be found in this machine learning technique. It could recognize the behavior and movement of crowd of people or a group of people. In this machine learning technique, a stereo camera can be used, and a stereo camera is nothing but a set of two cameras mounted adjacent to every other, but separated by a tiny distance. These cameras face same direction, but pictures captured is different slightly. If any suspicious activity will be done, send an alarm. Next slide. Yes. And there are some disadvantages of existing system. This model does not have more accuracy rate than our proposed CNN algorithm. there are more number of cameras to be used, and the time period is more. In this project, group of people activities can be identified. A small and also a small amount of data can be processed. We don't know what the activity done by the alarm. In our proposed system, it can be shows in the form of text format. Next slide. Slide. In our proposed system, CNN model used to learn visual representation on person activity based on image processing stages. There are many stages. If we take an image, then it convert into some pixels and processing different stages. Then finally we got output. And CNN algorithm can be applied on the images. The image can be reduced into pixels and perform the feature extraction. Here we can identify the threats happening to the people by detecting and the threading objects. We can alert them and we can use as a surveillance. Next slide. And there are some advantages of our proposed system. To detect unusual crimes in specific environment, like grouping like that, and it is also useful for children to detect the objects, which object it is. If we place before the book, it will display this book, and if we place it before the pen, it will display it is pen, like that. It can be used in jewelry shops, colleges, and ATMs, banks, etc. In the crowds, the people activity of each person, how the action will be performed of each person. Okay, next slide. This is the system architecture. This is HRUN. HRUN means human rights understanding. That the data of human rights understanding. The HRUN in the HRUN, the collection of reports related to the human rights violations can be stored. In this HRUN datasets, training datasets and testing datasets is present, and that datasets can be when we give an input that will goes through and applied conventional neural network. The CNN feature extractor will extract that image and classify using the SVM classifier. SVM classifier is SVM classifier, and it displays which type of this image is this. Based on that, it shows the output of activity. Next slide will be explained by my friend Amarnath.
Types of modules: data collection, data pre-processing, GoogleNet, ResNet, train the model, test the model. The data collection, this module is to collect the data from the train. And the data processing unit, this module which is convert the data into mission understandable language by using feature extraction technique. Train the model, this module is to train the model by using CNN, convolutional neural network. After this, testing the model with different dataset, validation the model. Input: facial expressions of a person. By giving an expressions of a person, we can get output. By doing expressions: boxing, kicking, hugging, handshake, pushing, dancing, reading book, whatever we can make it give expected output. Thank you.
Okay, ma. First of all, appreciating you. So your presentation is good. Right.
Thank you, sir.
You have right. You have also prepared the slides well. And your title is also good looking. So very clear. Person
Yes.
activity identification using convolutional neural network. Very good.
Yeah.
CNN.
Yes.
Fine. You have also shown what will be the input, what is the expected output, has
Yes,
also
sir.
been clearly shown at the end.
Yes.
Fine. Can you explain something about the convolutional neural network?
Yes, sir. Convolutional neural network is a class of deep neural network most commonly applied to analyze visual imaginary, sir.
Okay.
In this
Sir,
convolution,
one second.
yes,
Sir, Tulsi Krishna, sir. తులసి కృష్ణ,
సార్
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫేజ్ లో మనము వాళ్ళు ఏదైతే ప్రపోజల్ మెథడ్ అంటున్నారో దాని డీటెయిల్స్ ని ఈ ఫేజ్ లో కొంత వాళ్ళకి తెలిసి ఉండాల్సిన అవసరం లేదా? నెక్స్ట్ ఫేజ్ లో మనం ఎక్కువ డీటెయిల్ గా పోతున్నాం ఎట్లా సార్? అది ఇప్పుడు ఒక అల్గారిథం అంటున్నారు వాళ్ళు.
సార్ నెక్స్ట్ ఫేజ్ లో ఎంటైర్ అల్గారిథం మోడల్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ అంతా నెక్స్ట్
ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు ప్రైమరీ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండాలి. ఐడియా ప్రైమరీ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, రైట్. ఓకే. So coming back, Hemant.
yes,
So
sir.
okay, right. You give me first of all what is a convolution neural network. So it's fundamentals, how it works. Very fundamentals.
Yeah, okay, sir. Convolutional neural network. There are 3 types of layers are there, sir. Input layer, hidden layer, and output layer.
Good.
These layers are the layers where filters are applied to the original image or to other feature maps in a deep convolution neural network. Fully connected layers are placed before the classification output of convolutional neural network and are used to flatten the results before classification.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So one more question.
sir, yes,
To you. So go to the architecture diagram.
Yes, sir.
HRUN, CNN feature extractor, train or test to linear SVM classifier. You see, convolution neural network, you are using one method.
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of CNN here and the SVM?
SVM in the sense support vector mission. That is a one type of classifier, sir. Based
Very
upon
good.
the CN feature extractor, it's
Okay.
connect to the SVM classifier, and then after that, it's showing the output for us, sir. We are using for
Okay.
the purpose.
So what is the purpose of CNN here?
CNN.
CNN వచ్చి pixels.
So your title
Pixels convert
itself,
చేసుకుంటాం.
okay, no, your title itself is some CNN based,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, activity identification, right?
Yes, sir.
And you are also saying that because you can also make us understand, because we may not be that good about everything.
Yes, sir. Yes,
You have to give the clarity. So what is the purpose of CNN here?
yes,
And
sir.
what is the purpose of linear SVM classifier?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
What is the purpose of each one of them?
Yes, sir.
So each of these methods are really predominant algorithms in the area of machine learning.
Okay, sir.
Right. Very popular algorithms, popular
Yes.
methodologies.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So for what purpose you are using CNN and for what purpose you are using classifier, as you have shown in the architecture,
Yes, sir.
so we can understand that finally you are doing some classification.
Yes,
And
sir.
you may be having a set of classes like boxing, right,
Yes,
hugging,
sir.
this, that, some set of classes. So as there are more number of activities, more number of classes,
Yes, sir.
right, then it is a multi-class problem. So maybe some 20 different activities or 30 different activities. You might have been having your label space.
Yes,
Label
sir. Yes,
space. Right.
Yes, sir.
So my question is, what is that you will be doing? Just simple antenna. What is that
Okay,
you will be doing with the CNN and what is that you will be doing with the SVM?
Yes, sir. The purpose of the CNN means it is a feature learning method for person activity identification is becoming more and more common. Unlike conventional machine learning methods, which require domain-specific expertise, CNNs can extract features automatically, sir.
So its purpose
Linear-
is only extracting the required features.
Yes, sir. Extracting the required features.
Yeah, from the data set. So you are saying that you have a training data and a test data. From that, you will be the purpose of CNN is only extracting the features.
Yes, sir.
Then you will be supplying those features to the SVM.
Yes, sir,
SVM does the actual work. Huh?
Sir, no, sir. Actual work is we are doing based upon the CNN algorithm, sir. SVM is that means only classifier, sir. It classifies the what data the CNN feature extracts only the data classifies only the SVM, sir. Whole thing run between between the CNN only, sir.
Okay, right. The whole thing is done between with the help of CNN. What is the purpose of CNN? That is what I'm asking. Convolution neural network. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And finally, దేనికి వాడుతున్నావు అంటున్నాను.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
మీరు if you can say only one thing, if you
Yes,
can
sir.
next time if you can explain these two algorithms very clearly, you can go and you can do something. ఏదో ఒకటి అంటే ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ను ఇబ్బంది ఏముండదు అంటే SVM you take a small data set and show how it works, right? So
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
and how and also take something small data set and let us know how your CNN works. Getting or not? If you
Yes,
take
sir,
your
yes,
one of the machine learning or data mining textbooks, you may have see what is the back propagation algorithm, right?
Yes, sir.
So you would
Yes,
have
sir.
taken a small data and finally how it is predicting,
Yes, sir.
how it is giving the correct class label or a correct number as output with multiple
Yes, sir.
iterations, right? So
Yes, sir.
these are all given. నీకు అదే విధంగా CNN తోటి కూడా నువ్వు you have to explain the method. You have to explain the method, right? So,
Okay, sir.
as already, so it is for image classification. Your CNN is for image classification
Yes,
and
sir.
also for recognizing the image.
Yes, sir.
CNN is for image classification and recognizing image, right?
Yes, sir.
So it also provides good accuracy. That's all okay. If you
Yes,
are
sir.
using CNN, which is a classifier, once again you are using SVM. Why you are using in such a case two classifiers is the question.
Oh, okay, sir.
CNN itself is a classifier.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So especially for image classification,
Yes, sir.
right? Even for image recognition, ever the photo and what no,
Yes, sir.
getting
Yes,
or
sir.
not.
Yes, sir.
So once again, the purpose of SVM is also classification.
Yes,
So
sir.
why you are using two methods? అది మీరు జస్టిఫై చేసుకోండి ఈ రెండు ఎందుకు వాడుతున్నాము అనేది జస్టిఫై చేసుకోండి. CNN అనేది ఇమేజ్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ వాడుతున్నావు. The input, your
Yes,
input
sir.
data must also contain image. It is image
Yes,
data.
sir.
Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
It is image data.
Yes.
సో ఇన్ సచ్ కేసు ఎట్లా చేస్తున్నావు అనేది కావాలా. ఆ రెండింటికి మంచిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ CNN and what is the purpose of SVM in your project.
Yes, sir.
Got it. That you have to justify.
Yeah,
You have
okay,
to
sir.
justify. అంటే every fundamental issues you should know. First
Yes,
of all,
sir.
what is the purpose of training data and what is the purpose of test data? What is the
Training data.
purpose of what is the purpose of training data and what is the purpose of test data?
New data to be trained, sir. Training data. Testing data అంటే validate చేస్తారు సార్ అండ్ ట్రైనింగ్ డేటాని.
Very good. Test data is for validation of the constructed model. What is the purpose of training data?
ట్రైనింగ్ డేటా అంటే న్యూ డేటాని మనం తీసుకొని ట్రైన్ చేసుకుంటాం. అంటే ఏ డేటా ఉంటుంది ఇది అనేది న్యూ ఇమేజ్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా సార్. దాన్ని ఇప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్లో ఉండే ఒక క్లాసిఫికేషన్ బట్టి మనం దేంట్లో డిసైడ్ అవుతుంది అని తీసుకున్నాం.
See, the purpose of training data is to build the model, and the purpose of the model is to map a new instance or test instance to the output space. That is the purpose of the model. Okay, training data తీసుకొని you will be building a classifier or some model, and later on you will be using that model to predict the class label or something. Very important. So to evaluate the goodness of the model, you will be using the test data.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the purpose of the test data. Amen?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
here you have to answer two questions. What is the purpose of CNN and what is the purpose of SVM? That is one
Yes.
thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. ఈ రెండింటిని ఎక్కడ వాడుతూ ఉండాలి. రెండోది you must have complete idea about these two techniques. You should be in a position such that you can explain the
Yes,
two
sir.
methods with a very simple data.
Yes, sir.
ఈ రెండు చేసుకుంటే నో ప్రాబ్లం. Go to the modules. Just put their modules instead of types of modules. Just modules.
Okay, sir.
So here, you see, data collection, data pre-processing, both of them can be merged as one module, data pre-processing. Right.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Then we
sir.
have used here GoogleNet, ResNet. So I don't know what are these modules because I don't have idea about this GoogleNet and
Yeah.
ResNet. I don't know whether it is a part of your CNN or
Yes, sir.
something. Right.
Okay, sir.
And okay, right. Then you have taken the train the model, test the model. That is looking good.
Yes, sir.
So you will train the model, and that means finally you will be getting a model as output, and you are evaluating its performance using the test. Which got test the model. That's okay, accepted.
Yes,
Last
sir.
two are accepted, and I'm not getting anything about this GoogleNet and ResNet. I don't know whether they are part of your CNN or so.
Yes, sir. It is a
You
part
have
of.
to just I don't think so. GoogleNet, I don't. It is a CNN is algorithm.
Oh, yes,
Then
sir.
how come it be part? Because you have to justify. If you say something, right, you have to stand by on what you have said.
Okay.
Right.
Google Net is
Right.
a pre-trained convolution neural network, sir. You can load a network train. Yeah, yes, sir.
Is it a tool? Is it a tool?
Uh,
GoogleNet, ResNet are there the tools?
no, sir. Those are the modules.
కాదమ్మా ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ టేక్ వన్ అల్గారిథం దాంట్లో
Yes,
నువ్వు
sir.
సపోజ్ మెర్జ్ సార్ట్ ఉంది. మెర్జ్ సార్ట్ తీసుకుపోయేసి దాంట్లో నువ్వు గూగుల్ నెట్ రెజినెట్ అనకూడదు మెర్జ్
Okay.
సార్ట్ లో. ఓకేనా?
Okay.
మెర్జ్ అనేది ఒక వర్క్ మెర్జ్ సార్ట్ లో, రైట్. సార్ట్, మెర్జింగ్, సార్టింగ్, 2 phases. అక్కడ గూగుల్ నెట్ రావాలి ప్రాబబ్లీ. ఏమన్నా నువ్వు టూల్స్ ఏదన్నా చూడు ఆ వర్క్ చేయడానికి. ఐ
Okay.
డోంట్ నో.
Choose
Right.
sir.
You have to find out if there are the built-in tools or some packages or so. You need not show them as modules.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You need not show them as modules. See, as the computer science persons, you see, always you have to talk about the concepts. Don't talk about these tools. If I am
Okay,
right.
sir.
Or not.
Okay.
That is what you have to remember.
Okay, sir.
గెటింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్.
Yes,
సో
sir.
అది మీరు జస్టిఫై చేసుకోండి. మాడ్యూల్స్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ ఏది సార్? బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్. ఓకే, ఇదేదో పెట్టచ్చు చూడండి. రైట్. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లమ్. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ఇటరేషన్.
Okay. Okay, sir.
ఓకే, రైట్. ఐఎమ్ డన్. రైట్.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana, you go for the title page.
Yes, sir.
Amarnath,
Sir,
what is your role in this project? ఏంటి నీ రోల్ ఏంటి in this project?
sir. Hello. Sir,
వినపడతా ఉంది, కానీ
sir, gathering information, sir.
Where?
Hello.
Where?
Sir. Hello.
చెప్పు నాకు వినపడతా ఉంది అమర్నాథ్, చెప్పు.
Sir, information gathering and preparing documentation, sir, from Google.
Documentation.
Sir.
You're not documented anything. Only just PPT is a PowerPoint presentation only.
Yes, sir.
Documentation means is a book.
Sir.
You know different. Documentation means we have prepared the project book.
Yes, sir. Before doing documentation, gathering data from Google, sir.
Google.
Yes, sir. Google and some.
You done lot of work.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Justify your title.
Person activity identification using convolutional neural networks, sir. Hello.
Okay. What is the difference between neural networks and conventional neural networks? I want to clear explanation.
Sir, it basically adopts various static features, sir, such as edge features, shape features, stack, call features, or transform features to describe human behavior, sir. Hello.
నువ్వు చెప్పు, నువ్వు ఆపకూడదు. కంటిన్యూ.
Sir, okay. The dual features of identification, that theft and or hacking are now becoming a reality, sir. So the only
అమర్నాథ్, నేను అడిగిన దానికి మాత్రం ఆన్సర్ కావాలి నాకు.
sir,
వన్
yes,
వర్డ్
sir.
లైన్ చెప్పు. కన్వల్యూషన్ న్యూరల్ నెట్వర్క్ కి ఏంటి డిఫరెంట్ అని అడిగా.
sir.
Hemant,
Just
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
give the brief explanation. What is neural networks and what is convolution neural network? Do you have any difference or same?
Sir, convolutional neural network is a subclass of neural networks.
Repeat again.
Convolutional neural network is a subclass of neural networks, sir.
ఇంకా క్లారిటీ కావాలి. Hemant,
It is a class of deep learning most commonly applied to the analyze visual imaginary, sir. That is a CNN, sir, convolutional neural network. And neural network means it is a more precisely artificial intelligence. It is a class of machine learning algorithms.
okay. Person activity identification. What type of?
Uh, like in public places, sir, what they
Sir,
are doing.
CNN have different architectures, sir, when compared to neural networks. It has layers.
ఓకే ఈ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఏమేమి?
uh, Activities in the sense if the person is reading a book, it is sir, let us take an example, a small children, sir.
We have described total number of activities. We have specified anything.
uh, sir,
Only
we have
expected
we have
activity only.
Yes, sir.
We have exact activities or identification is available.
No, sir, we are working on that, sir. We are expecting like that, if the whole activity will come like that, if the person is doing boxing, if they are doing any fight in the public places like crowd, we are identifying through this our project, sir.
Okay. పీపీటీ స్లైడ్ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వడం లేదు నాన్న, అది
Yeah,
మెన్షన్
okay, sir.
చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్
Sir.
స్లైడ్ యు గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్. ద డీప్ లెర్నింగ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ అల్గారిథం ఇచ్చారు, అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఇచ్చారు. ప్రజెంట్ ఇది సిఎన్ఎన్ అల్గారిథం ఏం అల్గారిథం వాడుతున్నారు?
Yes, sir, convolutional neural network, sir.
ఓకే, ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ లో కూడా అదే ఉంది కదా?
Yes, sir, that is a region convolution neural network. That is different from the convolution neural network, sir.
Okay, you are not specifying the any disadvantage.
Yes, sir, I'll change it, sir.
My opinion, if you
Yes.
study the paper, that is IEEE paper, you
Yes, sir.
identify the algorithm and advantages and disadvantages.
Okay, sir.
You identified that disadvantages, you solve that problems in your project. That is a proposed system. Yes, sir. But
Actually,
what type of exist? That is the disadvantages. You find out that these three papers.
sir, I'll look into that, sir. Actually,
Okay.
I find out. Yes,
You
sir.
change it. Literature, you change it. We have to add one more column, that is disadvantage also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next slide. Next. చూడన్నా, ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ లో నాకు ఇక్కడ ఏమి పెద్దగా ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ లో ఉన్న పాయింట్స్ నాకేం అనిపించలేదు. నాన్న ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ సిస్టమ్ అదే నార్మల్ గా రాసినట్టుంది.
Yes, sir.
అవి చేంజ్ చేయాలి నాన్న.
Okay, sir.
అవి చేంజ్ చేయాలి. ఇది యాక్చువల్లీ ఊరికే నార్మల్ జస్ట్ నార్మల్ ఆ పాయింట్స్ మీరు రిటర్న్ చేసినట్టుందే కానీ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ లో ఉన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ పాయింట్స్ నాకు అనిపించడం లేదు. ఓకే, చేంజ్ దట్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ముందు స్లైడ్ వెళ్ళి. ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్, ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ డిసడ్వాంటేజ్?
Yes, sir. Our project, sir, that is a region convolution neural network, sir.
No. This is the existing disadvantage. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Existing.
Existing.
The paper, not project.
Okay, sir.
Put it there. Okay, next. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఇంకా ఎఫెక్టివ్ గా కనబడేటట్టు పెడితే బాగుంటుంది నాన్న. ఇది
ఓకే
ఇది
సార్.
ఎక్కడో టెస్ట్ చేసినట్టు అనిపిస్తా ఉంది. సార్ అన్నప్పుడు సార్ చెప్పాడు కదా నాన్న, ఈ
Yes, sir.
సిఎన్ఎన్ లీనియర్ ఎస్విఎం క్లాసిఫైర్ రెండు ఉపయోగిస్తున్నారు ఏమి అనేది, దాని యొక్క ఇది ఏంటని యాక్చువల్ గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఇది ఏంటో రిప్రజెంట్ చేయండి నాకు.
ఓకే సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి, సార్ అన్నట్టు డేటా కలెక్షన్ అండ్ డేటా ప్రాసెసింగ్ ఒకే ఇది పెట్టేస్తున్నారు, ఒకే మోడల్. సార్ అన్నట్టు గూగుల్ నెట్ అంటే ఏంది, రెస్ట్ నెట్ అంటే ఏంది అనేది మీరు నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్దర్ రివ్యూకి ఇవ్వాలి. ట్రైన్ ద మోడల్, టెస్ట్ ద మోడల్ చూడండి నాన్న, అది కూడా చూడండి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇంకా కూడా మీనింగ్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది నాన్న. మోడల్స్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు మీనింగ్ఫుల్ గా ఉండాలి,
ఓకే సార్.
ఏదో ఇదిగా ఉండకూడదు. సార్ చూసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఎలా స్పెసిఫై చేస్తున్నారు డిఫరెంట్ యాక్టివిటీస్ అనేది పిక్చర్
yes.
రూపంలో ఇస్తున్నారా?
అంటే మనం
అవును
చేసే
సార్.
యాక్టివిటీస్ పెట్టింది సార్.
ఎలా
మనం చేసే యాక్టివిటీస్ సార్, అంటే మనం ఇప్పుడు హ్యాండ్ షేక్ చేస్తే హ్యాండ్ ఇది
ఇప్పుడు నాకు అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుంది?
అంటే మీరు ఏది చేస్తే అలా వస్తుంది సార్ అవుట్పుట్.
మనం బిహేవియర్ బట్టి వస్తుంది సార్.
ఇదే
ఓకే సరే, ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ. మేడం ఏమైనా అడుగుతారా క్వశ్చన్లు? పూర్ణిమ మేడం, శృతి మేడం.
సార్ మధ్యలో నేను సరిగా వినలేదు సార్, కాల్స్ వచ్చి డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాను సార్.
సరే
Hemant, Hemant,
Ma'am, tell me, ma'am.
yes, neatly explain your output once.
Ma'am, input is facial expressions of a person. It means it's
Okay.
describing the we face on camera, ma'am. In front of that camera, we are sitting. What we are doing behavior, like if we read any book, it's showing the reading book. Like if you are reading any newspaper, it was showing newspaper. If you are doing any hair fitting, like on the time it's showing the hair fitting, like that. It was come out.
Okay. If I am doing boxing, it will display like boxing, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's showing along with video. In that, it's showing a text also, ma'am. Like boxing.
Okay, Tulsi sir.
ఓకే ఓకే మేడం, ఓకే ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు నేను తిట్టుకుంటా ఉన్నాను అనుకో, అది వస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
సంథింగ్
మనము ఆ డేటా సెట్ అనేది మనం ఇవ్వాలి సార్. అక్కడ మనం డేటా సెట్ ఇచ్చిన నుంచి అది తీసుకుని వస్తారు సార్ ఇక్కడికి అవుట్పుట్ లో.
Okay. Pre-defined ఏదైతే ఇస్తున్నామో అది మాత్రమే డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది అని చెప్తున్నారా హేమంత్?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
ఓకే ఓకే క్లోజ్ ఇట్ నా.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
ఓకే.